Wait,
Like,
which guy is it? You're really calling that guy?
If I'm calling one of these agents, it's this guy. I mean,
I
like,
think
dude,
it's gonna ring the same.
I don't like the color scheme. I mean, maybe if the color scheme was different. Maybe.
Do you concur?
Do you concur? I love it.
I should have concurred. Who knows what that's from?
I just watched the movie the other day and I was just talking about it. It's stuff with the flight attendant with Leonardo DiCaprio. I forget the freaking movie.
Me if you
Fly
can.
with me or something.
Catch me if you can. And you can watch that next time.
I could watch a movie and you could ask me 30 minutes after and I couldn't tell you like what happened.
Wait, is that all the time or just now with the baby?
No, all the time.
Oh.
I'm really bad at like.
Me too.
Like when people would be like, "Oh, you know that scene from?"
Oh, and then you're like, yeah.
I think I saw that
but
movie.
you really don't. Yeah, every time. You know what I mean?
I do fall asleep a lot during movies.
I like this space, bro.
Seriously, that's the worst. It's so awkward. It's like, oh, what movie is this from? Haha, you ever seen that movie? And I'm like, yeah, I've seen it.
I'm shooting over the shoulder right now, so like think about like you're talking to a client right now. You know what I mean? Like something like that.
Looks like a date. What's up, bud?
I want to see how it
Works? Of course.
and if you really want to get a sports team on there, you're going to
Well, we'll work through it, buddy.
non-sports game.
Come here.
But you know, it's like it's the thing is like there's a lot of kind of similar stuff. So we were working to kind of extract as much difference out of the similar spaces.
Oh yeah. Well, at least there's a lot of floors here and different areas to work
It's
with.
great. I mean, no, I like it. Sometimes I don't know, like I show up and I don't know what to
You don't know what to do with that.
But then it's like you gotta see some nice textures, some like little things, and it's like get going, you know.
Oh, we got double camera. Look at this. Dun dun dun.
Before you go on your